So my name is Will Kanda. I'm with a new company called Nutrien, which was a merger between Agrium and Potash Corp of Saskatchewan. Much like Ron, actually, our best practice was somewhat similar, where we, 4 years ago on our side of the company, brought TapRooT in. And to bring that culture up, we trained up a lot of our folks, our managers, our supervisors, as well as engineers, technologists, and some of the guys at the pointy end of the stick. Our best practice, though, that I wanted to share was we gave freedom to some of our engineers to investigate the lower level incidents. We have some criteria where the highs and the mediums need to be investigated formally by certain people. However, they were given the freedom to go and investigate things that caught their interest or were interesting to them. So that allowed them to go and investigate some more things. By doing that, we've picked up a number of learnings. There's been about an extra 10, 15 TapRooT investigations done. We have some folks to help supervise or guide them through the process, so they get some experience, but they also get some guidance. And they're not perfect TapRoots, but what they do is they find a few more root causes and a few more things that are going wrong at our facility that we can fix and clean up before the next big thing hits us.